So it is the blizzard of 2013, and we purchased a Durostar DS4000S a few months ago for a hurricane via Amazon. It cost $292. Today we have no power, so we broke this out of the box, filled it with gas, put in 30 weight oil, and choked it, and it started on the second pull. So we'll go out and take a look at it. Right now we just have our refrigerator and a small light attached to it, but it's saving all of the food in our fridge. So I highly recommend it. It's a 7 horsepower generation 2 engine, and here we go. This is a Durostar. We just have one outlet in. Been running for about 2 hours, and it's about a quarter of a tank down. It's pretty loud, but it's enough. It's operating wattages at 3,300 watts, peak 4,000 watts. So it's enough to run your fridge and a few items in an emergency. So highly recommend the Durostar DS4000S along with the wheel kit. Thanks for watching.